This video will show you how to log in to your student account. To begin, open up the Google Chrome web browser by clicking on this icon. When the Google Chrome browser is open, go to the address bar and type in office.com and select Enter. When you are on this page, you will select Sign In, located here. And now you will be asked to sign in with your student email address. Your student email address begins with the letter A and your student ID number, which is a series of 7 numbers provided to you on your registration. Begin with the capital letter A, followed by the 7 numbers of your student ID number. This will be followed by the @ symbol, and then sweetwaterschools.net. Make sure to add an S to the end of Sweetwater Schools before you type .net. Then select Next. Now you will be asked to enter your password. Your password is based on your date of birth. It begins with the first 3 letters of your month of birth, starting with a capital letter. So for example, if your birthday is in the month of March, you will type capital M, lowercase a, lowercase r. Next, you will put in 2 numbers for your date of birth. So if your birthday is on the 2nd of March, you will type in 02. Next, you will put in 4 numbers for your year of birth. So if you were born in 1990, you will type in 1990. This is followed by an exclamation mark and 2 capital Z's. After you have entered your password, select Sign In. You now have accessed your student account through office.com, and you are now ready to log into Google. At the top of your screen, select the plus symbol to open a new tab, and in the address bar, you will write google.com. In the upper right-hand corner, you will select Sign In. And again, you will be putting in your student email address, which begins with a capital letter A, followed by the 7 numbers of your student ID number, followed by the @ symbol, and sweetwaterschools.net. And again, remember to put an S at the end of schools before .net. Now select Next. Now you will enter your password the same as we did before. Begin with the first 3 letters of your month of birth, starting with a capital letter. So if you are born in March, you will write capital M, A, R. 2 numbers for the day of birth. If your birthday is March 2nd, you will enter 02. And 4 numbers for your year of birth. If you were born in 1990, you will type 1990, followed by an exclamation mark and 2 capital Z's. If you want to check to make sure that you entered your password correctly, you can click this box next to where it says Show Password. And you can verify that you have entered your password correctly. When you have entered your password, select Next. You are now signed in to your Google student account.